Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So as we know, the IPL final is very close. It's on this Sunday and RCB is in final, and today there is a match between Gujarat Titans and Rajasthan Royals. So whoever is going to win, they will play the final with Bangalore. So here you can see the image I have generated for these three team. So if you want to generate an image like this, so I will show you in my mobile screen how to do that. So first you need to open ChatGPT, upload your face picture, then you need to paste a prompt. So you can see this is for RCB, how the image is generated. So here there are all prompts, but here I will show you in my WhatsApp. So this is a prompt for RCB and you can see how the image will be generated. So this is how it will look for Rajasthan Royals. This is my pick. For this the prompt is here, and in same way this is for Gujarat Titan. You can see how the image is generated. So for this the prompt is here. So you can get the prompt from this side. You can take the screenshot, or else you can come to my Instagram profile and comment in this post. You can comment the team name. I will send you the prompt directly to your Instagram DM. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.